What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the JBL Pulse 4. Now what captured me, some of you guys already know, is the RGB lightning. I understand the speaker's supposed to play its own part, but the RGB lightning, it's really fluidy and you can control it throughout your phone. Now we're gonna just explore this kind of speaker and see what's packed. For further talk and further ado, let's get started. It's heavy, very heavy. So today I'm not gonna throw it up because it's really heavy. Not only that, but man, just look at it. It's really awesome. I really kind of love it, really kind of like it. So let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside, because I love the RGB, how you can control it, how it's gonna be sparking throughout the background. As you can see our desktop there, the way the RGB lightning it works. As you can see at the background somewhere there is some hexagonal lights which I just kept them here. And yeah, let us just unbox this kind of JBL Pulse 4 and see how it's packed. Okay guys, here we have it. This is our JBL Pulse 4. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm just really so pumped to see what's happening in here. As you can see, really nice, kind of great and amazing artwork as usual. How much JBL they push themselves throughout it. This is our bad boy here. I'm gonna keep it aside first and see what's inside. There's a sweet box here. So what's inside this box? You can ask yourself what's inside here. So let us just open it and see by our own self. You're getting a USB Type-C cable, this one here, which is really kind of great thing. Another kind of stuff, I think it's paper wax. And yeah, so there's nothing else left in here, nothing else. And you get some paperwork, some quick start guide to get you started throughout this kind of JBL Pulse 4. So here we have it. This is our speaker, and let us just open it and see what's packed inside, because I know a lot of you guys are so pumped to see what's packed inside on this speaker, and me too, I'm just pumped, to be honest. Looks like glassy. Looks like glassy. So this is a really kind of problem whereby if you leave it somewhere and somebody falls it down, it breaks really easily because it looks like a glass material. So we got it here. Let me keep the USB somewhere here, and let us just turn it on. I think the on button, let us just find it. It's here. As you can see, it's on. Woo! That's good. I like that kind of RGB, the way it affects. Okay, I'm gonna do some manual pairing because I find it's like taking way more time. So here we have it, JBL Pulse 4. Just gonna connect it directly throughout here and pair. And I think it's gonna be showing up on the app now. I think so. I cross my fingers. Yeah, it showed up right now on the app, as you can see. Can tap it here on the app directly. So this is the app, guys. You can just getting ready for you, so you can see it's just mashing up some things. You can see here there's equalizer. You can set some sound. I think this is a brightness size and increase the brightness, as you can see here. So entirely throughout the app, I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna keep my speaker somewhere here closely so as you can see. So entirely using the app, this is what's gonna happen. If you play some music, you're playing music, right? Now you can control how much you want the campfire or how much you want the equalizer, and you can change the waves, and you can even decrease the lighting of the RGB up to down, and you can increase the lighting depending on you how much you want it. Another kind of stuff, you can keep feedback tone if you want no feedback tone, but if I like feedback tone, that's what's up. You can change different lighting conditioning. You can see here, you can control the RGB directly if you want something like that, It's really good. You can see there, it's really kind of awesome. If you want something like customized, you can customize your colors. You can see I'm customizing there, and you can change this type of colors here. It's really kind of awesome. It gives you some animation, to be honest, on this kind of app directly, and you can see, guys, it's playing the music while synchronizing on there. And you can even go to edit. You can change how much you want the mid, or you want this kind of high, or you want just this way, or you can drag and replace. So I can drag and replace here, I think, on top if I want something like that. You can customize it how much you want it. If you want the high to go high, you want it to go low. Right now I can get it because it looks like a game, so you can just drag it and keep it up for mid. And if you want for low, you can keep it this one for low, which it's really awesome. You can see it's sparking the light while when it's kicking out on high, and it's really kind of great thing. To be honest, the JBL Pulse 4, it's a must-have speaker for your own kind of setup if you want to. I understand this kind of speaker does not fall into a lot of categories entirely when it comes to outdoors, but for indoors, I think it's really kind of perfect speaker to be having, because it gives you a lot of functionality throughout your app and throughout the speaker, which is really kind of convenient. Talking about the JBL Pulse 4 specification, it gives you 360 degrees of 20-watt speaker array and a 360 LED light show, and it connects to other party boost speakers, which is really kind of convenience, a wireless Bluetooth 4.2 technology, and it up to 12 hours of battery life, an IPX water resistance, which is an IPX7, and it's a shake to sync light shows, which is really good. So if you shake it around, you can get some different kind of light shows. A JBL Connect app for controlling the lighting and much more features in it, which is really kind of convenient. On the scale of 10 to 0, I give this bad boy 10 out of 10 because it's really giving you a lot of functionality and it's really awesome. And you can control the lighting through this kind of button here. You can just press it, gives you different lighting conditioning. You can shake to sync. As you can see, it's just, if you shake the speaker, it's synchronizing on the color, which is really kind of awesome. Check it out. You can shake it. Shake, baby, shake, shake. What am I saying? But it's really kind of awesome. You can see right now it's like campfire. You can change it to give you another lighting, which is really kind of awesome. So this kind of speaker, it's really kind of convenient, to be honest. On the JBL line of RGB speakers, I find it's really top-notch speaker to be having on your setup. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing unboxing on the JBL Pulse 4. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts about this speaker. Is this speakers for you if you're into setup of your computer home and you want something good, something neat? This I recommend. But if you're an outdoor man, I don't recommend this. I can recommend you the Charge 5. It's really remarkable. And if you didn't check out the review, you can click this card here up. It can take you definitely to that video, so as you can enjoy that kind of review and make a suggestion if you want it or not. That's what's up, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos, guys, and peace.